am the one who knocks.
So I brought so hard, motherfuckers gon' find me. First niggas gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Ball so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that don't shit phase me. The next could go 082 when I look at you like this shit crazy. Ball so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even po be here. Ball so hard since we here. It's only right that we be fair. Psycho, I'm liable to go Michael. Take the pick, Jackson, Tyson, Jordan. So hard, got a pro clock. Rollies that don't tick-tock. All the moors that's losing time. Getting behind all these big rocks. Ball so hard, I'm stopped too. I'm supposed to be locked up too. If you escape, but I escape. You be in pals, get fucked up too. Ball so hard, let's get faded. Line Maurice for like 6 days. Gold models, scroll models. Spilling ace on my 6 shades. Ball so hard, bitch, behave. Just might let you meet yay. Shot town, B-Rose. I'm moving the nets, BK. Ball so hard, motherfucker won't find me. That shit crack. That shit crack. That shit crack. Ball so hard, motherfucker won't find me. That shit crack. That shit crack. That shit crack. Ball so hard, that shit crack. Ain't it Jay? Ball so hard, what she order? What she order? Fish fillet. Ball so hard, yo, it's so cold. It's so cold. It's so dang. Ball so hard, act like you never been around motherfuckers like this again. It's Gucci, my nigga. What's Louis, my killer? What's drugs, my dealer? What's that jacket, my Zilla? Doctors say I'm the illest, cause I'm suffering from realness. Got my niggas in Paris, and they going gorillas. Now watching the throne, don't let me into my zone. Don't let me into my zone.